got birds? I do. Using black sunflower seeds. I'm moving, it's moving. Popular feeder. We have another one to the left of it, but it's cold out there and windy, as you can see. Anyway, got rabbits, got birds, squirrels occasionally, raccoons at night. Yeah. Need another bird feeder. I just need to go out there and refill that one, I guess. Yeah. Then I got one up on the tree back there too. But it's empty, as you can see. Anyway, thanks for watching. A little bit of chaos.